Good morning, students. Up to the previous video, we have studied how to find out the mean and the median of the group frequency distribution. Now, the next part of the lesson is how to find out the mode from the group frequency distribution. Last year also we have studied how to find out the mode. Now, this year we are having that how to find out the mode from the group frequency distribution. Mode is exactly what? Mode is nothing but the maximum frequency of the data. That was we are done about the numbers. Now let us see how to find out it about the group frequency distribution. For that we are having a new formula here. Let us get introduced with this. See the formula. Here I written the formula already. Mode is equals to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. Bracket close, multiply by H. Now let us see what does these numbers are indicating to us. These variables are indicating to us in the formula. L stands for lower class limit of the model class. Now you will have the doubt that ma'am what exactly is the model class now. As the previous for the finding out the median we was having the middle class. In the same way to find out the mode we will have the model class. That I will explain in the example. What will be the how to find out the model class of the data. Then F1. F1 is nothing but the frequency of the model class. F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class. यानी ऐसे class की frequency F0 means that class frequency which will preceding the model class. मॉडल क्लास के पहले आने वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी हम F0 करके लेने वाले हैं. देन F2 द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास सक्सीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास. यानी हमारे फ्रीक्वेंसी जो मॉडल क्लास की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है उसके बाद में तुरंत आने वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी हम एज अ सक्सीडिंग मॉडल क्लास लेने वाले हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी. दैट इज अवर F2. H will be the class interval of the model class. Fine. Once again I will revise you what exactly. L stands for the lower class limit of the model class. F1 will be the frequency of the model class. F0 will be the frequency of the class preceding the model class. And F2 will be the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Be proper with the F0 and the F2. F0 यानी मॉडल क्लास के पहले वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड F2 यानी मॉडल क्लास के तुरंत बाद में वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी F2. H be the class interval of the model class. Now let us see the example of the mode of the practice set 6.3. First one example I am going to be explaining now. Now this is the one of the example of the practice set 6.3 example number 1. The example is here. The example is given here. Example is here given. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from the farmers on the milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk. Find the mode of the fat content. Now here the example we are having. Look at the example once. These are the classes given to us 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and the 6 to 7. And their respective frequencies we are having here. Now as we know mode is what? Mode is nothing but the maximum frequency. Where you get the maximum frequency here? Here. So by default 80 will be our F1. फ्रीक्वेंसी हो गई 80 हमारी. नाउ अब ये फ्रीक्वेंसी किसकी कौन से क्लास की है? 4 to 5 की. यानी 4 to 5 हो गया हमारा मॉडल क्लास. सो आई विल राइट हियर मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी इज व्हाट हियर? Maximum frequency is equals to F1 is equals to 80. Fine. Hence our model class will be जिस क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा हो वो होगा हमारा मॉडल क्लास एंड दैट क्लास इज नथिंग बट द 4 to 5. ठीक है. एज इट इज योर F1 इज 80. F1 की पहले आने वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सी है? 70. सो दैट विल बी योर F0. जस्ट पहले आने वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी हो गई आपकी 70. इसके बाद आने वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी है 60. दैट विल बी योर F2. फाइन. फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारी जो मॉडल क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी है 80 है यानी मोड है 80 यहाँ पे. सो दैट फाइन. इसके पहले आने वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी 70 हो गई हमारे लिए F0 और इसके बाद आने वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारे लिए हो गई F2. लेट अस राइट डाउन द गिवन थिंग्स नाउ वंस. F1 as 80, F0 as 70, F2 will be as 60. Fine. Now L, capital L is what? The lower class limit of the model class. यहाँ पे lower class limit कौन सी है model class की? 4. So write down that. H, class interval of the model class 4 to 5. Class interval कितना है? 1 का. So that thing. Now it means that now we are ready with the all the things of the formula. Write down the formula now. Mode is equals to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 and multiply with the H. Let us put the given numbers in the respective formula. L we are having as a 4. Write down that F1 is 80, F0 is 70, 80 minus 70, 2F1 यानी 2 multiply by 80 minus F0 70 minus F2 we are having as a 60. Fine. Multiply with the H. So next thing 4 plus 80 minus 70 10. 80 to the 160. 160 minus 70 minus 60 multiply by 1. Now 4 we are having here. 4 plus 10 will be as it is in the numerator part. Now 160 minus 70 minus 160. 160 minus 70 minus 60 will be minus 130. Right? And multiply with the 1. So we will have 4 plus 10 by 130 minus 160 minus 130 30 only. Multiply by 1. As it is multiply by 1, it will be the as it is. 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we will have here 4 plus 1 by 3. Now that is nothing but the 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. 13 by 3. So we will have 3 4s are 12. Remainder 1, put the point. Again, we will have 1 remainder. 3 3s are 9. Remainder will be there. And we will get 4.33 there. So we can say now the mode of the fat content is 4.33%. Now we will get the answer here perfectly, that we had taken here 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 3 we had divided with the 3 and we get the answer 4.33%, and hence mode of the given data is 4.33. I hope you are get with this one point. We have taken the first example. Now in the homework you are going to solve example number 2 and 3.